How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my first video on this specific channel, and in this video we're gonna learn how to use HTML, hyper text markup language. And I hope you guys didn't hear my stereo. It's been acting up all day. And yeah, I am using this website called AVENGERS, and I believe it's like one of the only websites that makes code learning fun, and not like Code Academy where it's so freaking boring. But still, I have to do it in my channel. So yeah, this is my actually second video on my channel because my trailer on the Avengers song, which I did not create, was by Code Avengers. And yeah, so we have long ways to go, and like I said, this is HTML. So in the website, it's gonna give you Java and HTML. So click HTML. Link is in the description, so you guys can do this with me, and you guys can learn too and have your own websites. So let's start. Let's get started. I actually know some of this, so yeah. I already haven't had start since I've been learning this like a long time ago. So web pages are made with two computer languages. HTML defines the content of the page, and CSS defines how it looks. Web browsers read HTML and CSS code from the internet and turn it into pretty pages on your screen, like this one right here or that one. This lesson introduces I messed that up. HTML. In lesson 2, you will start creating your own Code Avengers profile, like the one on the phone. For your first task, follow these steps. Type any sentence you like in the editor. So here's a simple one. Pi should rule the world. Yeah. Simple enough. 10 stars. Hooray. Add at least 2 more sentences on a separate line in the code. So let's add here. Eliu should rule the world. Yes, it would be pretty cool to rule the world. Robots shouldn't rule the world. They shouldn't. They probably will later on in the future, but not today. Not today. Questions if yours. Oh yeah, you don't need to read that. I know my way around Code Avengers, so, and probably you don't, so you might want to read that. So press the Enter key to at least add 2 blank pages between the 2 lines. Okay. Number 2, press spacebar at least 3 times, space between 2 of the words in your code. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and set that on the phone. Blank lines or extra pages are ignored. Yeah, I see that. Okay, so check mark. Awesome. 10 stars. Sweet. Task 4. The web browser ignores extra spaces in HTML code. No matter how many spaces or new lines you put between the words in your code, they are shown 1 space apart on the web page. To make sentences appear separate lines, you need an HTML tag. HTML tags are special bits of code that give structure to your web page. Each begin with that thing and end with that thing. For example, BR in the line break tag. Add this tag to your code to make a new line appear on your web page. So, as you can see here, they're all connected. But when I put this, BR, they're separated. And why do I need to do this? Because that's how, that means it's a command. Look, if I just do this, if I just put BR, nothing. It just says, I should rule the world, BRLE should rule the world. Well, I shouldn't rule the world. But when I add these command symbols, I put in, it breaks it apart. And I have to do that with every single one of these, so BR. And it put BR between 2 of your sentences. So one there. And one here. And I forgot to add the command. Check. Awesome. Congratulations, you should earn 4 task badge for completed 2 tasks. Yeah, that's awesome. And yeah, this is why Code Avengers is a fun way to learn code, because you get all kinds of badges and stuff like that. And look, there's like a little phone here with battery and the real time here. So yeah, This course follows the Google style guide, a set of rules for writing code that is easy to understand. If you already know some HTML, click here. I do, but I have to go through each step here in these lessons because you guys are going with me. So I'm not going to skip ahead and actually get you guys lost and confused. I'm actually going to do it one by one with you guys, okay? Okay, so I don't have to read that. Put the doc type symbol at the start of line 1. So this is what they mean. You're going to put the command symbols, and you're going to put apostrophe, I think that's what it's called. And you put, no space, doc type HTML. And that means it's HTML. I don't know why it's not showing up blue. Did I do something wrong? Probably did. Doc type HTML. Hope that's correct. I'll start with line 1. Okay, that's what it is. This won't change how your page looks. Click the check mark when you're done. I finished. Lesson 1 complete. It's time to start making your Code Avengers profile page. Sweet. Lesson 1 complete. We're going to lesson 2. That means we have 19 more to go. Sweet. It's gonna be fun. And I was being sarcastic yet again. I'm not. So yeah. Click profile HTML on line 1. Click. Even though it was already highlighted. Put a title element with the test Code Avengers on line 2. Oh, okay. So first we're gonna. Oh, forgot to do this. Okay. We're gonna add doc type HTML, and then right here we're gonna put title Code Avengers profile. And yes, later on I'm gonna run some courses to type faster so I can improve my skills and you can improve your skills. Put a title element with the test Code Avengers profile on line 2. Okay, that's what we did. 3 on line 3, type the test my profile with no text around it. So we're gonna go my profile. Simple enough. My profile. Check. And I got it wrong. Doc type put doc type I did. Oh, see, this is what this is a great example on what we call bugs. Bugs is when you type something wrong. So you have to make sure that when you're done writing a command, everything's correct. And yeah, sometimes you forget, like I did right there, and now I don't have 10 stars. So now that it's them, I look at my code, everything's perfect. Lesson 2.1 complete. Awesome. Lesson 2.2. I already know this. Put the test H1 and H/1 around the words. And what this means, it means that heading 1. Why do we need this to end it? Because you don't want this whole entire thing to be all huge, right? You only want a specific thing. So to end the command, you have to do this slash. Now they want to put it around my profile. So I'm going to put H1. And as you can see, if I type here, it's going to be big like that, right? But if I end it here, only that specific thing, not this. So that's what it means to end the slash command. Change both H1 to one of these tags. So I'm going to change it to 2, because 2 looks nice. See? Check. Oh, no, I forgot to put here. Oh, no. Oh, it didn't say info. You type the test after heading and tag will show on a new line without using the BR tag. Okay. So I thought I did something wrong. Really, I didn't. So yeah, you have to be careful before you put check. Like, don't say, I'm done, and then, oh, okay, you're done, because that could really affect you. Like it's affecting me right here. Okay, this is going to be the last lesson here, so let me complete it real quick so it won't be a very long video and I could upload it fast. Add your name and birthday to your page. Okay, simple enough. I know this, so I won't be doing it. Also, use the subpage, okay. But I do have to show you here. Now, just tell you. Tap. Oh no, enter. Enter. And here we're gonna go birthday. Birthday. Let me check if everything's correct. Correct. Okay. So, my birthday is the 16th November. And as you can see, it says 16 and th. But when I add the sub element to it, it goes above, it goes higher and smaller, it turns smaller and higher, so 16. And here, last time I forgot to do this, BR, so it can break it, so it won't be together. I'm going to put a little bit of space here, and use break tag to show you separate lines. Okay, I think everything's okay. Whoa, oh, congratulations, you're an 8 task badge by completing 2 or 3 tasks. Okay, I think I can finish this last lesson with you guys. I mean, this is the second lesson. We won't be going to 3, no we won't. It's too much for a long video. Add your hate on a separate line tag after the name and birthday as shown in the sample. Okay, let me read this first. In example page, the world's name, birthday, and hate are in bold text. In this task, you'll make those words using the strong tag. Okay, so here we put hate. I forgot what my hate is. Wow. So let's look at the example page, which just makes no sense. I'm actually 5 point something. 5.0 again? No, 5.2. I'm not very good with hate. I hope that's correct. I hope that I gotta do. I'll look it up later and we'll fix it. Okay, so I add the BR, and they want us to add the strong element. So let's go here, strong, and then we'll go here and end it. Strong. We end strong. So this is bolded and check. Yes, 2.4 complete. Marvelous. View the page in the new tab. Dislike. No, thank you. I have to finish this first, my friend. Okay, view on the real phone. No, I do not want to view on the real phone right now. An example page, as you can see, look at this awesome background. This is my profile. That's what we're gonna do in this one. And add a link. Ooh, here it gets harder, and I think you guys are gonna have to listen carefully on this. And since I'm going fast and have to end this video, I'm gonna save this till next video. So I hope you stay tuned.